AI has made it easier than ever for students to generate code, but not necessarily to understand it. This creates a new education problem, where students can finish assignments faster, but failing behind conceptually. Vybe Tutor solves this by embedding a real-time tutor directly inside the IDE. Instead of switching to external sources, students can learn exactly where they code, in context.
Our goal is to reduce the gap between AI-assisted code generation and general conceptual understanding by providing real-time explanations, comprehension checks, adaptive learning, and gamified progress, all within the coding workflow. We decided this for beginners learning syntax for the first time, immediate student transitioning into deeper problem solving, and advanced developers exploring pattern and optimization. This aligns with the human-centered design track because we are improving accessibility to learning and addressing the real educational problem, helping students build confidence and understanding while using AI.
Hi, here's a demonstration of Vybe Tutor. A person will highlight the code that they want to view, and under Vybe Tutor, they can see under Show More in Vybe Tutor, and that will then prompt them to see on the left side of their screen their extension, and it will give a plain explanation on the code so that people can understand what it's actually about. And then from there will be a brief question which will check their understanding. And if you get it wrong, then it will go into recovery mode, in which the next question will stay on the same concept, but it'll get easier, which can help you build your understanding. From there, once you ramp up and get answers correctly, you can update your XP and your streak. And the essential loop of the program is that there's an explanation, there's a quiz, you'll receive feedback, and the questions you receive will adapt accordingly. And from there, you can progress in the level of expertise and difficulty of questions in which you receive to test your knowledge.
Today, Vybe Tutor turns code into explanations, quizzes, and progress. Looking ahead, we're expanding beyond the core loop in 3 directions: deeper integration, collaborative learning, and broader accessibility. That includes connecting platforms like Canvas, importing course materials like PDFs, building instructor dashboards for tracking progress, and enabling real-time collaboration. We also plan to expand beyond VS Code to other IDEs. Ultimately, the goal is to make a personalized learning system inside the IDE, helping students truly understand the code, not just to ship it.